gone, and yeah.
We're leaving tomorrow.
We're gonna miss you.
Yeah, we're gonna miss you.
Gonna miss my big brother.
You guys are gonna make me cry.
You're gone for two years. What are we supposed to do?
Yeah.
Last time you left, I like bawled my eyes out, and I'm probably gonna cry again.
I'm crying.
Look, this Jared, she's crying. And now I'm gonna start crying, and then Alicia's gonna start crying,
Yep,
and then
we're just gonna have
fuck
a
you,
crying
Jared.
session.
Fuck you.
My eyes are watering.
Thanks,
Are
Jared.
they?
Yeah, a little bit. But when you're gone, you need to stay focused.
And watch this video.
All the time.
All
Every
the
day.
time.
Every day.
Stay strong.
Yeah.
Be good.
Don't get in trouble.
Don't do anything we wouldn't do.
Don't do drugs. Just drink a lot of beer.
A lot of beer.
A lot of
Drink
beer.
one for us.
We'll drink
Every
one
day.
for you.
Be safe. And
Yeah.
come back home
In one
Please.
piece.
in one piece. We don't need you broken.
More than you are.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Love you, Jared.
Love you.
Love you.